Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some birds that are out there. Want to see? Sorry if it's too light, but there's one if you don't see it. Sorry. So, we're outside and, oh, watch this. Here's my hula hoop. And I got a jump rope too. And here's my covers. And here's the steps, guys. If you want to see, here's my face. And here's my nail polish, as you see, is on. And, well, this is the day that we're going to Chuck E. Cheese. And my teacher's birthday is Monday. So, don't forget to subscribe to all my videos. And I see two birdies. That they're really cute. Let me take a picture of them. There they are. There's the bird. There's the bird. And you see, let me put my hoodie back on, guys. Ooh. And you know that this is a fun day to be long on your camera, right? Ooh. My daddy's here outside. And let me show you the birdies again, guys. You want to see them again? There it is. And there's another one. If you don't see it. But there's the other one right there. You see it moving? There's the other one. So, let me get out of all this wet grass. There's the ugly trash cans. There's the wall. Let me go back up the steps. Want to see my new light-up shoes? These are my light-up shoes.
Hey,
That's my daddy. And this is my little brother, Jared. Say hi. Yeah. He's smiling. So what you got to say?
I got to say, I'm enjoying my morning with my kids. We out here, chill. It's warming up a little bit. Hopefully, Mommy will be in the mood to take us to movies and Chuck E. Cheese. I'm just joking.
And today, that we're going to Chuck E. Cheese, maybe. And it's getting warmer out here, but it's really cold and it's windy, so I'll still be on here, and this will be a really long video. And anyway, we're going to play a game called Escape Obby on next week. Escape Santa Obby. And that's going to be fun, because look. Sorry, it's too close. I found a dime or a quarter. Ooh. I almost fell, guys. Yeah. I want to see these. If you see all of them, it's okay, because it's always the best day to see them every day. So, you see my new shoes? These are light up, and we're just outside in my play outside. And we got some steps here, and it leads us up to here. And there's my daddy again. Whoa! And there's my dada again.
I can't remember whether I took my medicine or not, man.
I don't know what he's talking about, but here's my little baby, Jared. He really likes me, guys. And I'm recording the best day ever. Let's take a photo shoot. And this is the best day ever because my daddy's here, my brother's here, my mommy's gone, and I'm here. I'm silly at that, guys. Subscribe to all my videos and click like and subscribe. Watch out. Watch out for all my videos. I got a lot. Like a little bit lot. But I don't know, guys.
Put it on there. Come on.
And when I'm done.
Come on.
Funny doo-doo. So here's my dad and my brother crying. Baby. And there's my hula hoops.
Come on. Stop it. Tell them to have a good day.
And have a good day. Bye.
Stop it.
Have a good day. Bye. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe in all my videos. Click like and subscribe.
Stop it.
Bye.
Because you can't have that just stuck on my thing. Still got it going, Monty.